Ok, mi gente, por aquí Ruidoso Santana with the unboxing, okay? This is the unboxing of the Skycontroller from Bebop for the Parrot Drone. Para el Parrot Drone, okay? Así que este va a ser el unboxing. The controller is being sold for $4.99. This is the first time that Parrot is selling the controller by itself. Previously, you weren't able, no estaba disponible. You weren't able to buy the controller by itself. So if you got like the Parrot, the drone itself, first, and you didn't get the controller together, the bundle, then there was no way for you to get the controller. But now, Parrot está vendiendo el control remoto solo, así es que es una oportunidad. Este va a ser el unboxing, el primer unboxing que hago. Ok, este va a ser el unboxing. Vamos a ver, Parrot, cuando yo compré el quadcopter, el Parrot quadcopter, they sent it to me well packed, and it was all, you know, nice nice package, you know, and protected. Así es que vamos a ver si esta vez, hacen lo mismo. Una caja normal, una caja grandota ahí. Se la voy a dar a mi hijo a ver si me deja tranquilo. Y entonces, this is the box where it comes. I'll seal it up. If you want one of these guys, you're gonna have to hurry up because they're going fast. Se están acabando bien rapidito. This one, the red one, el rojo, is not available anymore. No está disponible. The last time that I checked their website, la última vez que chequeé el sitio web, solamente tenían, they only had the blue one, el azul. Así es que lamentablemente, unfortunately, if you didn't get it soon, however, any color will work with any quadcopter, but for people who like me, for example, I have the red, yo tengo el quadcopter, el rojo, I have the red one, and I like to have my things, you know, color match, so that they're matching colors. Así es que, si a usted le gusta eso, pues entonces va a tener que esperar. You're gonna have to wait for them to stock again the red one, because right now, as I made this video, they do not have it. The 23rd of May, of June, they don't have it. So, okay. So, let's open up. Let's see what they have here. I have two little double tape in there. And the box is nice and neat, like I say. Have information about the Parrot. This is the quadcopter for the people that are watching this video for the first time. I have another video of the quadcopter flying over the city of Junction City in Kansas City. So you can go and check that over there on my channel. There is some other information here of glasses, so you can do FPV. Puede ser FPV y manejarlo así. En este lado una foto grandota. Y entonces vamos a ver qué hay adentro. Let's see what's inside. Okay. First glance, usually the quadcopter, Parrot have this little laminate over here, and there is some information, pretty much telling you what to do and what not to do, how to fly it when you're flying the quadcopter. Here it is telling you not to fly it on an airport, not to go too high up on the clouds and stuff like that. Always make sure that you're looking at the quadcopter when you're flying it, and such and such. And here is what I believe must be the this is the cover, like for when you're using the tablet outside and there is a lot of glare, muy brillante por el sol. Very bright for the sun, then you can put this cover thing, you know, and you're like right there looking at it. Okay, that's that. And then here is wait a second. Okay, one good thing that you can get when you buy the remote, when you get the remote apart, is that they give you 2 batteries. I didn't know that. Cuando usted compra el combo, que es el Parrot con la... Cuando usted compra el Parrot con el Skycontroller, los dos juntos, they give you 3 batteries. Dos para el quadcopter y una for the Skycontroller. In this case, I got 2 batteries, 2 baterías con el control, and I already have 2 baterías para el quadcopter. I already have 2 batteries for the quadcopter. So that means that I have 4 batteries, and that's, you know, obviously that's the same price. Same price for, because they're pretty much only charging the difference between for the Skycontroller. Right now, if you're gonna buy the Skycontroller, it's $499. If you got both of them together, it is almost close to $900. But so I got, yeah, you're gonna get 4 batteries if you get 1 and 1 separated. So that's a good thing. 4 batteries, 2 batteries for the Skycontroller. I hear in other reviews, on otros videos en YouTube, que la batería dura mucho. The battery lasts long on the Skycontroller. Therefore, una de estas baterías, probably I'm gonna have to use it for the drone itself, which is amazing. Which means that I'm gonna have now 3 batteries for the drone. The batteries are the same; they are interchangeable. Puedes cambiarla. So the same battery that you use for the drone itself is the same battery that you use for the Skycontroller. La misma batería para el remoto y para el avión. Okay, let's put that in there. Entonces aquí está, así es que viene el Skycontroller. Nothing much in there, that's all I see. Let's take it out over here. And this thing is pretty big actually. Let's see if there is anything else in the box. Oh, there's something else on here. Under the box there is this. This is the charger. So you get another charger. And these are all the different connector for the different countries, like for Europe and United States. I'm in the United States right now, so I'm gonna be using this guy right here. All this other one also come with the Parrot itself. There's this little 2 round leg. There's this little, I think this is for Australia most likely. This one I have no idea. But if you're in one of those countries that use those, you can rest knowing that they are sending you 4 types. Okay, so that's that. I already have a charger that comes with the Parrot itself. Ya tenía un cargador que viene con el quadcopter. So that means that now I have 2 chargers and 4 batteries. That's actually pretty nice. And it's still the same price. Because for the US at least, they're only charging $499, which is the difference between the Parrot, the bundle, or versus getting it by itself. So let's put that over here. There you go. So now I have 2 of this. That's pretty good. Aquí está el control. Viene con un pegamento aquí en la antena. This is the Wi-Fi antenna. It's pretty big, man. It's actually like bigger than what I thought it was gonna be. Later on, I'm gonna make a review to tell you guys how we fly with this thing. I have been flying mine with my cell phone. Another thing which is important to notice here is that when they give you the Parrot, if you get it without the Skycontroller, right now on the Microsoft Store, you got an offer that you get this tablet. You get this HP tablet, which have a full, it's a full version of Windows 8.1, which is upgradable to Windows 10. This is a full version, just like your computer, Windows 8 computer, right? So you end up getting this when you get the Parrot without the Skycontroller. If you get the Parrot by itself. Now this offer was available because remember that they weren't selling these things by itself before. Now, so you do get this, which is pretty nice tablet. I actually been using it for my personal use because I've been flying the quadcopter with my Galaxy Note 4, which has an amazing Wi-Fi antenna, and it gives me da como alrededor de 300 metros. I have flown about 300 meters and it has been really good, no problem at all. Así es que te dan esta HP tablet. So, which means that if you buy the Parrot by itself, use the quadcopter, one of the stores like Microsoft Store, Apple Store, and I believe Best Buy too, they're gonna give you, te dan esta de gratis. They give you this along with the quadcopter, lo cual es bastante bien. So, which means that I got this. Now, if you get the bundle, right? Let's say that you, if you get, let me log in here. If you get the bundle, you do not get the tablet, okay? So, I got the quadcopter by itself, cogí el quadcopter primero, and then I bought this, which means that I got the Skycontroller for the same price as if I bought them both together, and I got the tablet too because I got the quadcopter before I got this. So, it's really nice. When I got the quadcopter, they didn't have this available, so they say they were gonna send it to me when it become available. Now it is available for the US, which is amazing. I got a good deal. 4 batteries, 2 chargers, the Skycontroller, the HP tablet, which is really nice. It's the Stream 7 for the people who are curious about that, la persona que están curiosa. 2 cargadores, and then this. Now, just to wrap up this video, vamos a abrir esta caja aquí. Abrimos, abrir, for the people that are learning English now. And this is what you get. This is the strap, the neck strap to hang it up. You get the holder to put the tablet. This goes like right here in the middle, just in case you're using one of those 7-inch tablets. You have to put it in between. So it goes something like this, right? And then there is the cover. Te dan dos. De estas son dos partes. Una que pone, one that you put in here, and then this part tú la pones arriba. And pretty much I'm not gonna really make a demonstration of that, but it'll look something like this, just so that you kind of get in there and you don't get all the glitter from the sun. Así es que esa fue la demostración de Skycontroller. Luego vamos a hacer un video para demostrar cómo funciona. Aquí va la batería, aquí está la antena para ajustar la antena, y aquí en el medio pone la tablet o cell phone, y así es como lo vuela. Muchas gracias, vean mis otros videos y wait for the review about the Skycontroller when I have everything ready set up and me flying it outside and see if it is true that it can go up to 2 kilometers. So that's pretty impressive. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.